Happy Saturday. Obviously markets are closed, so going to go over crypto. That's what I like to do when the markets are closed because I love this shit. So anyways, Bitcoin is looking iffy. So when I look at the chart and I see I have all these psychological levels. Well, really the even levels, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, 4000. I don't get as in depth as it gets higher. Also crazy if you look on Coinbase's whatever it's called, exchange on TradingView, the high is exactly 69,000 exactly. So anyways, when you set the Fibonacci there down to the low at, what was it, 15,500, you can see that there's a lot of intersection and a lot of play at all these psychological and Fibonacci levels. So if we go all the way up, you can see that's the all-time high VWAP, volume weighted average price. Yeah, I got it this time. So, there's a downtrend, broke that, puked. Oops, didn't mean to do that. What'd I just do? Okay, didn't move that. Didn't mean to do that. I'm going to lock that now so that doesn't happen again. So, anyways, as you can see, tried to hold on to 6,000. Tried to hold on to 5,000. Tried to hold on to 4,000. Battled with the VWAP. Lost that. Well, honestly, it's 4,000 and the 0.618 fib. Couldn't hold the 0.5 fib. Dropped down, battled with 3,000 psychological level. Puked again. Uptrend. Puked down. FTX right about here. And now, in my opinion, I think we are finding a bottom. To be honest, this is kind of my target here. There's no time frame, but just about this level. Maybe by a few months from now. That's where the all-time high VWAP and the psychological level of 30,000 intersect. The other reason why I'm kind of bullish on this, I don't know if you can see this very well, but the RSI has basically bottomed out. And even when you go to the weekly, you can see RSI is just flat, completely flat. And if you even use another indicator, I like to use MACD as well. So if you look at that on the daily, let's see. Yeah, so if you look at that on the daily, that's beautiful. That looks like, this is what it looks like to me. It wants to curl up. This curls up. That passes through. Bullish. I can't write. Whatever. Bullish MACD cross. And this goes up. And then the stock goes up. So I am pretty positive on Bitcoin right now. And going even further, when you compare Bitcoin to, I know total 3 looks random and weird, but basically I'll show you. So total 3 is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I did a relative chart to compare Bitcoin's performance to the overall crypto market besides itself and besides Ethereum, the other blue chip. So as you can see, obviously, up until 2021, it was just demolishing everything else. Then, puke. And if you will, I guess this is what I see. Near. That looks like a falling wedge to me. I think it's due to go up there. So on the other side, when you look at Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum has been outperforming for a while now. So it's let's go to the next chart. I'm stuttering here. I'm running out of words here. So this really is more important. So Bitcoin compared to Ethereum. So it lost its traction. Get out of the way. Lost its traction here and came down, and I would consider this a bottoming formation. So it's finding a floor, finding a rhythm. So I believe Bitcoin will start outperforming Ethereum. There's so many derivatives of Ethereum and things built on Ethereum, and lots of those are failing, and Vitalik is now, or whatever his name is, he could be in the next SBF, who knows. We're putting our faith in one guy who wears like unicorn slippers and weird crap like that and weird hats. So I won't be too geeked up on that. And you can see I do the same. Oh, no line. So if you can see here. So yeah, okay, I guess I do a little bit Elliott impulse wave, but I'm fucking good at it, as you can see on the spot. So these are some of the psychological levels, and it's not looking too hot right now. If we look at let's look at MACD. Relative strength is low as well. No, that's Jesus Christ. Bear with me here. Bear with me, fellas, folks, ladies. So I see that. Still looks like it could curve up and everything. But I just have a feeling that things aren't going to be as peachy keen for Ethereum with all its relations with NFTs, all these bust crypto projects, all these there's too many factors, in my opinion, that make it want to be. If I was holding any crypto right now besides Algorand and Atom or Cosmos, whatever, which I only hold a very, very minimal amount. I just didn't feel like clearing it out. If I was going to own the two blue chips, Bitcoin would be my highest weighting. Ethereum would be second. Honestly, it might even be Bitcoin, Algorand, then Ethereum. And I probably would get rid of Cosmos unless I find some better reason to stay in it. Don't really remember why I got in the first place, to be honest. So let's just do a little side-by-side comparison. So as you can see, they do pretty much track each other, but the thing is, there's a major difference between the two. One is a store of value and going to be widespread with institutional adoption, whereas Ethereum seems to be more in the background, and to be honest, it doesn't seem like there could be an apex predator that could replace Bitcoin. The thing with Ethereum is there's already tons of projects trying to do better than it. Like Algorand, lower gas fees, I believe under a penny, more efficient with the environment than Ethereum. So I think there's too many giant killers out there for Ethereum, and Bitcoin is just king crypto. King crypto. There's nothing, no project, no possible way anything can ever overtake it. It just too, not maybe overtake it in market cap, but not overtake its function. Ethereum's function can be improved and beat, and Ethereum can become obsolete. What Bitcoin, like the way it is no one can go and recreate what Bitcoin did, because that changed all of crypto, and that kind of is the definition, or what most people know as crypto, besides stupid Dogecoin and Shiba Inu because of frickin' Elon Musk and his stupid pumps. But basically, all in all, you can see Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin for a while. It might be time for that to stop. Let's see. Let's even look at a shorter time frame here, just because. Let's look at the 6 month. So yeah, see, it's been slightly outperforming. Let's look at year to date. Still outperforming. 1 year. Still outperforming. 5 year. Barely outperforming. But mainly what I'm saying is this outperformance is not going to last. I'm not saying Ethereum is going to crash at all by any means. I'm just saying that Bitcoin looks like, based on what I see, it is oversold. Like worst case scenario, I have this 800 level marked. That would probably be the floor if it did have more puking or World War III fears or whatever, or Binance goes broke, Coinbase goes broke, and pauses withdrawals. But I see this, like when I look at that RSI. Wait, where is it? Let's look at even the stochastic. So look at the stochastic, look at the MACD. They're all ready to rip, and this is daily. I'm not looking at some stupid little time frame for a little baby day trade. I'm talking like long term. It might be time to start DCAing in. Other than that, that's pretty much all I wanted to cover today. Might have been long, might have rambled a bit, but happy trading. Have a good weekend. I did already say goodbye, but I forgot to go over this. So these are stages in a bubble. Everybody's seen this before. I know you have. So this was 6,900. We've been up and down, up and down. Everyone is in despair. People in crypto are talking about quitting, being done forever. This is where we are. We are about to return to the mean. And that's what I'm trying to say, is that when everybody is scared shitless, they're, saying, I'm done, I'm never touching it again. That's when the most successful distressed investors have created fortunes, not like a couple $100,000, fortunes. So I would reconsider calling crypto a no touch right now. I would say yes, the bogus random projects and whatever, avoid those, because those are going to go bust, because they're backed by nothing. Just like FTT, facial tissue token, from FTX. So what you want to do is make sure your investments are in a public company that reports every 3 months. Do not have your money in any company that's not public. You will lose all your funds. There is crypto contagion. please, for the love of God, move your money and your funds and your tokens and everything to Coinbase. That is your safest exchange to be in. I promise you that. This is financial advice. Okay, that's all. Yep. Happy Saturday. Now bye.